Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Thinking about dessert? You can make a creamy, rich vegan cheesecake that tastes absolutely incredible. This isn't just a good-for-being-vegan dessert. It's a truly spectacular treat in its own right. We're using clever plant-based swaps that perfectly mimic traditional textures and flavors. Prepare to amaze your friends and family because this will quickly become your go-to recipe. It's surprisingly simple to create, proving that plant-based can be utterly decadent and completely satisfying for everyone. To achieve that signature creamy texture, cashews are your secret weapon. They become incredibly smooth when soaked and blended. Modern vegan cream cheese alternatives are now fantastic, providing the perfect tangy base without any dairy. You will also need a touch of fresh lemon juice for brightness, along with your preferred sweetener like maple syrup or agave. These key ingredients work together beautifully to create a cheesecake that is both rich and perfectly balanced. It's all about selecting quality plant-based components for the best result. Making the crust is surprisingly simple, and it's completely no-bake, saving you time and effort. You'll just combine pitted dates with your favorite nuts, like almonds or walnuts, in a food processor until a sticky dough forms. This combination creates a delicious, naturally sweet, and often gluten-free base. Then, simply press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your springform pan, ensuring an even layer. Pop it into the freezer for 10 minutes while you prepare the filling. Now for the star of the show, achieving that perfectly smooth and creamy filling. You'll blend your soaked cashews with the vegan cream cheese, lemon juice, and sweetener until the mixture is utterly silken, with no trace of graininess. A high-speed blender truly helps here. Once blended, pour this luscious filling over your chilled crust. The most crucial step comes next: patience. It needs at least 4 to 6 hours in the refrigerator or even overnight to firm up beautifully. This ensures a clean, elegant slice. The final touch truly makes your vegan cheesecake shine. Consider topping it with vibrant fresh berries, like raspberries or blueberries, for a burst of color and tartness. A homemade fruit compote or a simple drizzle of melted vegan chocolate can also add incredible appeal. For ultimate indulgence, try a swirl of dairy-free caramel sauce. Always serve your cheesecake chilled directly from the refrigerator to maintain its perfect texture. Get ready for compliments, because this delightful dessert is sure to be a showstopper at any gathering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.